Oh, yes, I love Mondays. Don't you? Not. Hey, don't forget Thursday. We have the third Cruisin' Broadway downtown from 5 to 9. All the cars, all the food. And you. And me. See you there, Cruisin' Broadway. What do we do on the show today? Ed Raymond, the gadfly. He's grouchy. He's curmudgeon-y. And he starts talking about...
Oh, yeah. I watched Reed and McConnell last night. You know, I thought of the standard railroad gauge. You know why we have a railroad gauge between tracks of 4 feet, 8.5 inches?
Please, pray tell, why?
And the wagon wheels were exactly 4 feet, 8.5 inches from each other. They were 2 horses' asses wide.
Okay.
See, I thought of Reed and McConnell and the railroad gauge as I watched them explain.
And a happy Ramadan! Did you get me a Ramadan present, Kyle? Same thing you got me last year?
Yeah.
You creep. So we went to Jerusalem, talked to our Fox News babe, Courtney Keeley. And, there's some things they just don't give up during Ramadan.
Muslims, they don't eat or drink during daylight hours. Is that true?
Correct.
Okay. Do they refrain from blowing people up?
Yeah,
you can give away. You can give up
don't get
some
me in
stuff,
trouble with
but
my
yeah.
peeps.
Yeah, I got. Yeah. It's kind of like Lent. You can give some things up, but
It's
some
like
things.
Lent. It's like 40 days of Lent. You give as you want.
But you can still blow people up.
And there's 300 new laws in effect today, August 1st, here in North Dakota. And we had Ed Grichala, one of our North Dakota state reps on, and I gave him a very hard quiz about one of our new laws that went into effect today.
Ed, I'm going to give you a quiz on one law. Are you ready, Ed Grichala?
Roll.
The new state insect is
The ladybug.
Very good, Ed. That would have been 6 points on your driver's license.
And we salute the ladybug. Eat 5 or 6 today. They're good for you. We'll see you tomorrow morning on the Flag. Cruisin' Broadway this Thursday. You.